Lincoln key fobs typically use a CR2032 or CR2025 coin cell battery. When your fob's range decreases or stops working, a battery replacement is likely needed. To begin, locate the seam on the fob, usually along the keyring side. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently twist and separate the halves of the case. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Some models might have a small screw securing the case. Ensure this is removed first. Once the case is open, carefully remove the old battery. Use the screwdriver to lift the metal clip or spring that holds the battery in place. Note the battery's orientation, positive side up, before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 or CR2025 battery with the positive side facing the clip. Ensure the battery is securely seated. Snap the case back together until it's firmly closed. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the buttons near your Lincoln vehicle. Dispose of the old battery properly, as it's hazardous waste.